Tips for making money with affiliate marketing. Stay updated with industry trends. Continuously educate yourself about the latest trends, strategies, and technologies in the affiliate marketing industry. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to industry blogs, podcasts, and newsletters that provide valuable insights and updates. Join affiliate marketing forums. Participate in affiliate marketing forums where industry experts and fellow affiliates share their knowledge and experiences. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and learn from the collective wisdom of the community. Attend virtual summits and webinars. Take advantage of virtual summits and webinars hosted by industry leaders and professionals. These events offer valuable presentations, panel discussions, and Q&A sessions that can provide you with actionable strategies and insider tips. Follow influencers and thought leaders. Identify influencers and thought leaders in the affiliate marketing industry and follow them on social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Their posts and updates often include valuable insights, recommended resources, and the latest trends. Watch YouTube tutorials and case studies. YouTube is a treasure trove of affiliate marketing tutorials, case studies, and success stories. Subscribe to channels dedicated to affiliate marketing and learn from experienced practitioners who share their strategies, successes, and failures. Explore online courses and ebooks. Invest in online courses and ebooks that focus on affiliate marketing. These resources often provide in-depth knowledge, step-by-step guides, and practical tips that can enhance your understanding and implementation of effective affiliate marketing strategies. Follow industry news and updates. Keep track of industry news and updates through reputable news sources and online publications. Stay informed about the latest product launches, industry regulations, algorithm updates, and emerging trends that can impact your affiliate marketing efforts. Engage in social listening. Monitor social media platforms, online communities, and forums to listen to conversations and discussions related to affiliate marketing. This allows you to identify emerging trends, popular challenges, and evolving customer needs that can inform your strategies. Network at industry events. Attend affiliate marketing conferences, seminars, and networking events where you can connect with industry experts, advertisers, and fellow affiliates. These events provide opportunities for knowledge sharing, collaboration, and building meaningful relationships. Experiment with new platforms and technologies. Stay open to exploring new platforms and technologies that can enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Stay updated on emerging social media platforms, advertising tools, analytics software, and marketing automation solutions that can streamline your processes and improve your results. Analyze competitors and successful campaigns. Study your competitors' strategies and successful affiliate marketing campaigns. Analyze their tactics, creative approaches, and targeting methods to gain insights that can inspire your own campaigns and help you stay competitive. Remember, the affiliate marketing landscape is dynamic, and staying updated with industry trends is crucial for sustained success. Continuously seek opportunities to expand your knowledge, experiment with new strategies, and adapt to changing market dynamics. By staying informed and proactive, you can position yourself as a knowledgeable and resourceful affiliate marketer. Do you have a tip? Reply in comments.